Look at what we got here. This was given to me. They were going to throw it away. Just give it to me. It is solid wood. It's just not just ordinary coffee table. Yeah, got a top to it. But we're going to give this a sand down, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. We'll figure it out along the way. Decisions have been made off camera. I'm going to go with the gray. We're going to be using this Bear Dynasty. Lid's a little dirty, but a little gray. I have taped off. I think I'm going to stain. I'm going to get the camera. I'm going to stain this. I taped it off. We'll paint that, and we'll paint that. And I also got another project here I'm working on. I'm going to paint that as well, since I got the paint done. So let me get this back up, and let's shoot some paint. out of stain. All right, it's the next day. This is completely dry, so we're gonna put time for some clear coat. Okay, everything dry and looking good. So let's take this table. Yeah, let's take this off the table. Put a moving blanket down and let's put this back together. way she pulled up. There you go. Looking good. I'm gonna put some felt pads. Where she slams down. Just put them up here or under here. Guess it doesn't really matter, but how much overhang we got? Got plenty of real estate under there. Just sitting on that. Okay, that's done. Now she should be quieter. Oh yeah, much better. All done. It only took me a day and a half to do this since the finish was already gone. But yeah, it looks great. So I'm going to post this on Marketplace and see what we can get out of it. Turning trash to treasure. Somebody else is going to love this. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, come back and watch some other videos. Thank you.